Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to make your drawings come to life. So, let us begin. First, open your web browser and type OpenArt AI. And if you are new here, no worries. There's a video link below to guide you through the account setup. If you already have an account, log in to access your dashboard. Now, click on Sketch to Image. On the left side, click or drop an image to upload. You can also change the style by scrolling down a bit. After uploading your drawing and selecting the style, simply click on Create. And lo and behold, your drawing has been magically transformed into a stunning image. You can then click on the generated image to see it more clearly. Making your drawings come to life on OpenArt is as easy as that. Unlock your creative potential and bring your ideas to life. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.